Hi guys, I'm Anna, one of the chefs at Sur La Table, and I'll be showing you how you can make a batch of frozen margaritas in our brand new Vitamix Explorian. We're gonna start with the ice already in the Vitamix, and we're going to add tequila, orange liqueur, some freshly squeezed lime juice, and a little bit of brown sugar for sweetness. Close it up. The Explorian has a 2 horsepower motor, so it makes the job of breaking the ice super easy. Now we're gonna take some lime and put it around the edges of the glasses. Press them in a mix of salt and sugar and lime zest. So the 2 horsepower motor lets you crush the ice pretty finely for your margaritas. We'll garnish with some fresh lime. And you guys are ready to go. Salute. Should I do a little salsa dance?